Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video we'll be removing and replacing the front door handle, inside door handle. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and maybe a regular screwdriver. Pretty simple operation. Need a Phillips screwdriver, and usually there's a little door here that you might have to use a small regular screwdriver and flip open, but you remove this Phillips screw right here. Keep track of it. And then you slide the handle forward and out. Okay, if yours is broken, usually they're broken at the rod here and it'll come right out. Okay, but otherwise you want to pull out. And then there's a little clip here. You can either use your thumb or just even your Phillips screwdriver. Just push that clip off the rod, and then the rod flips up and out. Okay, and then your power door lock, if you have power door locks, you just press down on this little tab here. Okay, and unhooks, and there's your old handle. So here's your old handle, and like I said, most of the time they break right on this part right here. Okay, and you also want to make sure that if your handle did break, you fix what's the problem inside the door. Sometimes there's a sticky latch or something in the door that causes it to break. But here's the new handle from 1A Auto. You can see it's going to go in there all the same. It is a little bit different gray, but actually the gray matches the gray in the car a little better. So we'll go ahead and install that. Okay, so first we'll hook the switch back up. You can test that. Okay, which is a little bit bigger. And push it down and flip the clip over it and slide the handle back in. Okay, and then put your screw in. Kind of holding this door off to the side a little bit. Snug. Put the trim on, and you're all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.